The most important plumbing inspection in a bathroom has nothing to do with what you can see when it is finished. It happens before tile is set, before fixtures are installed, before any wall is closed. It is the rough-in inspection, and every dimension, every slope, every trap arm distance, and every vent connection is locked in at this stage. Change any of it after the walls close, and you are opening walls to do it. The main soil stack and drain slope. A bathroom's drain system is organized around the main soil stack, the vertical 4-inch DWV pipe running from the building drain below the slab to the vent termination above the roof. Every fixture drain in the bathroom connects to this stack through branch lines sloped at 1/4 inch per foot toward the outlet per FBC P3005.3. The stack extends above the roof line not less than 6 inches, FBC P3103, and not less than 10 feet horizontally from any operable window or air intake. Toilet rough-in, the critical dimension. The closet flange is the 4-inch fitting that anchors the toilet to the drain. Standard rough-in distance is 12 inches from the finished wall surface to the center of the flange, not from the framing. A flange positioned 12 inches from bare framing, with 3/4 inch cement board and 3/8 inch tile, ends up at 10 and 5/8 inches. The toilet will not seat correctly. Code also requires 15 inches minimum from the center of the toilet to any side wall and 21 inches of clear space in front. These dimensions are governed by FBC P2705.1 and are set in framing. They cannot be corrected after the walls close. Toilet flange height and drain test. The flange must be flush with the finished floor or slightly above it. A flange set below finished floor height causes the wax ring to compress unevenly and fail. The seal between the toilet and the drain is compromised, and sewer gas enters the bathroom from below. FBC P2503 requires the drain to be flood tested before the floor covering is installed. A toilet drain that passes a visual inspection and fails a flood test means the failure is under tile that has not yet been laid. Catch it at rough-in. Tub and shower drain rough-in. The shower uses a 2-inch P-trap per FBC P3201.5, connecting to a 1.5-inch drain line running to the main stack at 1/4 inch per foot. Shower minimum interior dimension is 30 by 30 inches per FBC P2705.1. 36 by 36 is standard practice. The trap must be accessible for service. The shower's 1/2 inch hot and cold supply lines feed the mixing valve body set at rough-in. Trim and handle follow at finish. Shower pressure balancing valve. FBC P2705.3 requires the shower valve to be a pressure balancing or thermostatic mixing type, meeting ASSE 1016 or ASSE 1070. This is not optional. When a toilet is flushed in the same bathroom, cold water pressure drops momentarily. Without a pressure balancing valve, shower temperature spikes to scalding. The valve body is set during rough-in to dimensions on the manufacturer's rough-in card. Every shower in Florida new construction requires this valve. Lavatory P-trap and drain. The lavatory uses a 1.5-inch P-trap per FBC P3201.5, draining into a 1.25-inch line running to the vent stack. The trap arm must reach the vent within 3.5 feet, the maximum trap arm distance for a 1.5-inch diameter pipe per FBC P3105. Beyond that distance, the trap self-siphons on every drain cycle. Hot and cold 1/2 inch supply stub-outs come through the back wall. Hot on the left, cold on the right when facing the fixture. Lavatory clearances, set by framing. FBC P2705.1 requires 15 inches minimum from the center of the basin to any side wall and 21 inches of clear space from the front of the lavatory to any obstruction. These dimensions are determined entirely by where the framing goes. A vanity rough-in framed too close to the toilet or side wall cannot be corrected at fixture installation. It requires reframing. Get the center line right before a single nail is driven. Venting. How all three fixtures connect. Every trap must be vented to prevent siphonage, the condition where draining water pulls the water seal out of the trap and opens a sewer gas path into the living space. The lavatory vents through a 2-inch vent stack inside the wall framing, connecting to the main stack above the highest fixture connection. The shower typically vents through the same stack or through a wet vent configuration where the lavatory drain also serves as the shower's vent, permitted under FBC conditions with correct pipe sizing. The toilet is wet vented by the main stack itself. PEX supply lines, 1/2 inch hot and cold. Branch from the 3/4 inch main to serve the shower valve, lavatory, and toilet cold supply. FBC P2605 requires support at maximum 32-inch intervals. Steel nail plates are required wherever PEX passes through framing within 1 1/4 inches of the face. FBC P2603.2.1. A kinked PEX line at a bend restricts flow permanently. It cannot be corrected without opening the wall. Every kink found at the pressure test is behind drywall that has not been hung yet. The rough-in is the plumbing system. Every dimension set here determines what is possible when tile goes down and fixtures go in. A correct rough-in makes the finished bathroom possible. An incorrect one makes it permanent. Share this before your bathroom rough-in begins. Subscribe for more Florida building code in plain language.